Today I'll be talking about hydrogen fueled buses. Hydrogen fueled buses are gaining popularity as an eco friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuel buses. Hydrogen fueled buses are powered by fuel cells that convert hydrogen gas into electricity, producing only water vapor as byproduct. Not only environment friendly, but also has potential to reduce dependency on traditional fossil fuel, which are a finite resource. However, like any emerging technology, hydrogen based fuel buses have both opportunities and threats. Opportunities of hydrogen fueled buses. Environment benefits. Hydrogen fueled buses have zero emission, making them an attractive option for cities looking to reduce their carbon footprints and improve air quality. Now, reduce dependency on fossil fuel. Hydrogen can be produced from a variety of sources, including water, biomass, and renewable energy. Sources like wind and solar power. This means that hydrogen fueled buses can be powered by renewable sources of energy, reducing dependency on traditional fossil fuels. Improved energy efficiency. Hydrogen fuel cells are more energy efficient than traditional internal combustion engine, meaning that hydrogen fueled buses are like that which requires less fuel to travel the same distance as traditional buses. This translates to lower operating costs and reduced emissions. Threat and limitation of hydrogen fueled buses. High initial costs. Technology used in hydrogen fuel cells is relatively new, making it more expensive than traditional internal combustion engine. This means that initial cost of purchasing and operating hydrogen fuel buses is higher than the traditional buses. Limited infrastructure. Hydrogen fueling infrastructure is limited, which can make it difficult for cities to implement hydrogen fueled buses program. Developing a hydrogen refueling infrastructure requires a significant investment in new facilities and distribution networks. Safety concerns. Hydrogen is highly inflammable, which raises safety concerns for both passengers and maintenance personnel. There are also concerns around the transportation and storage of hydrogen, which requires specialized equipments and protocols. So we can conclude that hydrogen fueled buses presents a promising opportunity for cities to reduce their carbon footprint and improve air quality. However, they also come with challenge, including high initial cost, limited infrastructure, and safety concerns. As with any emerging technology, it is important for cities to carefully weigh the benefits and risks of hydrogen fueled buses before implementing them. With continued investment and innovation, hydrogen fuel cells have the potential to become a viable alternative to traditional fossil fuel buses, paving the way for more sustainable transportation system. Thank you.